2005 Nissan Sentra. I think this is the 1.8 engine. This hose is leaking. Suction line for the AC goes all the way down to the AC compressor there. Goes all the way around to the back where you see it connect right into there. We got to take all that out. This out, maybe another 10 mil somewhere. Take it off the compressor and get the new one installed. So from what I see, there's three. Start with this. Take off this 10 mil so it can be liftable. Then you got 10 mil, 12 mil on the compressor. Get in there, get your hand in there. If it's too hot, wait a while. I'll have to put the phone down, of course, but use your finger, 10 mil, pull that out. You'll have to grab a screwdriver to take out the little plastic clip there. It doesn't take a genius. Pull this out. See that? Now we got it all loose. There's gonna be a few more things it looks like we may have to do to wiggle it out. But if you can do that, you can get it out. Tighten it up. Nice. Okay. Now it's time for vacuum. Open. Finger. And on. Fill it up with what that tag says with the Freon. Nissan Sentra suction line replacement. 10 mil in the back, 10 mil right there on the body, 12 mil on the compressors. All three you got to take out. sure it's all looking good. We got to continue. Fill the hose. Ice cold. And there we go. We shut off the valve. 1 pound, 1 ounce. I'm over here touching it. Readings, ice cold. Looks like this job is done here. Ooh, yeah. Nice. So, 2005, that's how we changed the suction line. Good day.